You don't need a full-size oven to get full-size results. Sometimes the right countertop oven can replace 3 appliances and still cook faster. Today, we're counting down the 7 best countertop ovens, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your kitchen, your meals, and your lifestyle. So stick around because number 1 genuinely surprised me, and one of the popular options on this list has a couple of annoying flaws you'll want to know before you hit buy. All right, let's get into it. 7. Elite Gourmet ETO 236. This is the tiniest oven on the list, and it's basically built for one kind of person. Someone with almost no space who still wants something better than a pop-up toaster. It's a compact 2-slice toaster oven with a short, adjustable timer and simple temperature controls, and it's clearly meant for dorms, offices, RV setups, and small apartments where every inch of counter matters. In my testing, it actually handled basic toast and quick warming surprisingly well for its size. I used it for toast, a couple of frozen snacks, and reheating small leftovers. And if you treat it like a personal oven, it does what it's supposed to do. That compact form factor is also the biggest reason it's easy to live with. You can tuck it into a corner, pull it out when you need it, and you're not sacrificing half your counter for it. Now for the real talk. The same small and simple design is also where the pain points show up. The timer is short, great for toast, not great for anything that needs more time, and you're not getting the kind of precision or flexibility you'd want for real baking. It's more like a hot box with a rack than an actual cooking station. Another thing that came up in my use, because it's so compact, anything slightly tall or wide becomes a game of will it fit without touching the top? 6. Panasonic NBG110P FlashXpress. This oven has a reputation for speed, and after using it, that part is real. The Panasonic FlashXpress uses a double infrared heating system designed to heat quickly without preheating, and it combines that with easy preset buttons and a digital timer. In day-to-day use, it feels like the quick meal specialist of this list. In my testing, it's excellent for toast, browning, reheating, and small pizzas, especially when you want something hot fast and don't want to wait around for a traditional toaster oven to warm up. The interior is built around a square tray that works well for personal-sized foods and up to 4 slices of bread. But here's where the criticism comes in. The timer is limited, up to 25 minutes, and that affects what you realistically use it for. If you're cooking anything that needs low and slow time, you'll notice that ceiling quickly. It's not a deal breaker for snacks and breakfast, but it limits it as an all-around oven. I also found it's more best at a few things than good at everything. It's fantastic when you're operating inside its comfort zone. Toast, reheat, quick bake, but it doesn't give you the roomy versatility that bigger convection-style ovens offer. If you're dreaming of roasting big cuts or doing multi-tray cooking, you'll outgrow it. That said, if speed is your top priority and your meals are mostly small to medium portions, the FlashXpress is genuinely convenient. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven. This is a really interesting hybrid because it's literally designed to replace 2 appliances, a toaster and a small oven. The long slot toaster is built in, and the oven gives you bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, so it's aiming to be the space saver for people who still want flexibility. In use, it's straightforward in a good way. The knobs are simple, the learning curve is basically 0, and it's the kind of machine you can hand to someone who hates complicated digital menus and they'll instantly understand it. I used it for toast in the morning, then flipped right into baking and reheating later, and that 2 appliances in 1 footprint idea really does work. What surprised me most is how practical the interior feels for real food. It's listed as 16.5-liter capacity, holds a 9-inch pizza, has 2 rack positions, and it includes the basics like a bake pan, oven rack, and a slide-out crumb tray. Performance-wise, it's not trying to be a high-powered air fryer oven, and that's okay. It's a reliable countertop oven for everyday tasks, frozen foods, leftovers, quick bakes, and broiling small items, without making you feel like you're operating a spaceship. If there's a downside, it's mostly that you're buying practicality over premium cooking tech. If you want ultra crispy air fry results or precision temperature control like a smart oven, this won't be your dream machine. But if you want simple, flexible, and space smart, it earns its spot at number 5. Nuwave Bravo Smart Oven. Now we're entering the do almost everything category. The Nuwave Bravo line is built around versatility, multiple cooking modes, convection-style cooking, and the ability to handle a wide range of temperatures depending on the model. Nuwave also leans heavily into control. Things like presets and more advanced adjustments are a big part of the experience. In my testing, what stood out is how much you can experiment. It's the kind of oven where you can toast in the morning, roast in the afternoon, and dehydrate at night, and you don't feel like you're pushing it beyond its design. It's a strong choice for someone who likes to cook frequently, but doesn't want to heat a full kitchen oven every time. Another highlight, Nuwave emphasizes features like adjustable heating and a digital temperature probe on models in this family, which is a big deal if you cook meats and want to stop guessing doneness. That probe-driven approach can save you from dry chicken and overcooked fish, which is honestly half the battle with countertop ovens. The only reason it's not higher is that once you start comparing it to the newer Pro and XL Pro versions, you realize those upgrades are aimed at exactly what power users care about: faster convection, bigger capacity, and more refined cooking consistency. So the standard Bravo Smart Oven is great, but it's not the ceiling of what this lineup can do. 3. Nuwave Bravo Pro. The Bravo Pro is where the performance starts to feel more modern and more aggressive. It's positioned as a smart air fryer toaster oven combo with a compact 21-quart size to 1800 watts of power and a temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, plus multiple presets and adjustable fan speeds. In my testing, the biggest improvement over simpler ovens was crisping speed. Air fry style foods came out noticeably better than what you'd get from a basic toaster oven, especially fries and frozen snacks. The convection system moves air with purpose, and when you dial it in, it starts producing that crunch on the outside, soft inside texture people buy air fryers for. I also liked how customizable it felt. The Bravo Pro lets you adjust the balance of top and bottom heat, which matters more than most people think. If you've ever had a pizza where the cheese browned before the crust crisped, or the crust burned before the top finished, this kind of control is the difference between meh and nailed it. Capacity is the main reason it's number 3 and not higher. The 21 cute size is awesome for small kitchens and still fits a 12-inch pizza, but if you regularly cook for a family or meal prep in bulk, you'll wish for more room. It's a compact powerhouse, not a countertop replacement for a full oven. Overall, Bravo Pro feels like the enthusiast pick for apartments, couples, and anyone who wants crispy results without dedicating half the counter to a massive oven. 2. Nuwave Bravo XL Pro. This is the bigger, bolder version of the Bravo concept, and it's built for people who want capacity without giving up that smart oven control. It's commonly listed at 30 kW capacity with 1800 watts, and it's designed to handle larger cooks like a 10-pound chicken, a 6-pound roast, or a 13-inch pizza. In my testing, the biggest win here is how freeing the space feels. You stop thinking in toaster oven portions and start thinking in real meal portions. Multi-rack cooking becomes practical, and that's huge if you're trying to cook a protein on one level and vegetables on another without running 2 separate batches. The second win is flexibility. The Bravo XL family leans into multifunction cooking, air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, toast, and more, and it can cover a ridiculous amount of everyday cooking. It's the kind of oven that can replace a toaster oven, air fryer, and even handle some jobs people usually reserve for a traditional oven. The only reason this is 2 is that there's one oven on this list that feels like the most complete, buy it once and you're done solution, especially if you want speed, large capacity, and consistently strong results without constantly tweaking settings. The Bravo XL Pro is excellent, but number 1 feels a little more turnkey for most households. If you want the Nuwave ecosystem with maximum room to cook, This is the model that makes you feel like you upgraded your whole kitchen. 1. Ninja DT201. This is the countertop oven that felt the most like a full-on cooking system in my testing. The Ninja DT201 is a 10-in-1 XL Pro air fry oven with 1800 watts, multiple cooking functions like air fry, bake, broil, toast, pizza, dehydrate, and more, and it's designed for fast preheating and faster cook times. The headline feature in real use is how quickly it gets moving. Ninja claims a 90-second preheat, and whether you're making quick toast, reheating leftovers, or jumping into air frying, it feels like an oven that doesn't waste your time. That matters more than people expect, because speed is what turns an appliance into something you actually use every day. Capacity is another reason it takes the top spot. It's built to cook on 2 levels and can fit 2 12-inch pizzas or even a 12-pound turkey, which is wild for a countertop appliance. In my testing, it handled bigger trays and bigger meals without feeling cramped, and that's exactly what separates nice extra appliance from legit oven replacement. It also delivers on what most people really want from a countertop oven: even results. Ninja markets true surround convection and even baking improvements, and in practice, foods came out more consistent than what I typically see from basic toaster ovens. Less random hotspot browning, less babysitting, and fewer mid-cook regrets. If there's one caution, it's simply that this is a larger, more premium style machine, so you need the counter space to match the performance. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.